Hello everybody and welcome to Birdsnest Designs. My name is Denise Cox and I am here today to share with you the amazing Tombstone Treat Boxes that can be purchased from Stampin Up, and they are featured in the August to December mini catalog for 2021, and they are awesome. You need to see them, so I'm going to do just that. I'm going to show you how you put one of these together and how simple it is and how amazing they are. So stay tuned. I'm going to flip the camera down to the desk view. Okay, so here we go. So here is the Tombstone Treat Boxes as they come when you first purchase them. There's enough in here to make 8 boxes. So once you open the cellophane off, you get pieces like this, okay? And they're self-adhesive, which is awesome, already done for you. And if you notice closely, there are 2 different sizes, okay? So I'm just going to take one of each here and show you how you would toss. So you can put them together like this, just push the end together, and you'll notice that one is quite a bit bigger than the other. So just make sure that you have one of each when you're putting together a box. So we can start with either way. The larger one is the top. So I'm going to start with that one. And you're just going to, it's all scored for you. This is so easy. You're going to love it. You're just going to fold in on all of these fold lines. And then same thing here, in, and then just flip this one in as well. Same with this one and that one. And then you're just going to assemble the box. So it's just going to go together like this. Okay. And then I'm going to take the tape off of one side. Hold it closed, and this is just going to go over top like that. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay. So there's the front of our box. Look at how awesome that is. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to make Halloween treats for my friends and my customers and my neighbors and the kids who come trick-or-treating, even my coworkers. These are going to be so cute. Okay, so now we're going to do exactly the same thing for the bottom. This is so easy. I love that Stampin' Up! Has come out with these boxes that are already basically pre-made. All we have to do is fold and adhere. It's awesome. Okay, so the same thing on this side. Oops. Just hold those up like that. And this paper is thick enough that it's easy to keep it in line. So you're not going to end up with them sprawled apart or squished together. Okay, and then that one, and we're just going to flop this inside here. Okay, there is the bottom. Here is the top. So as you can see, they're just going to fit together nicely, just like that. And then you have this amazing 3D box that you could fill with all kinds of treats, right? These would even fit the little mini Halloween chocolate bars we all love. So that's how you put a box together. Awesome and easy. And then I did up a couple samples last night when I was playing around with these, and I just wanted to share those with you to give you some ideas of how you could decorate. So this one here uses the more frightful Halloween stamp. And I love the black glimmer web that I cut with the dies and this awesome gingham ribbon. The second one is a little more on the cutesy side, and I use the Cute Halloween bundle. And these are all fussy cut or used with a punch out of the designer series paper. So it's just very different looks, but the same adorable, awesome Tombstone boxes. So there you go. That's how easy it is to put these boxes together. If you'd like to place an order to order these, visit my online store. You can access that through my blog at createwithbirdsnest.ca. Thanks all so much. Have a great day.